another new video. So today's video will be about the assumption tag. So I've posted this Instagram story a long time ago, like 2 to 3 months ago. So let's get started with the assumption. So I will be answering your assumption whether it's true or false. So let's get started with the video. Okay, so first assumption is that you like pizza over burger. So no, I like burger more than pizza. That's it. That was so simple. Next we have is you're cute and outspoken girl. So yeah, thank you that I'm cute. Yeah, I am. Next is you're outspoken girl. So yeah, I am outspoken girl. I like to make things clear or like directly. So yeah. Next is you're doing this giveaway to make more followers. I think this story I have posted after my first giveaway. So I have done one giveaway in previous and I have to do one more giveaway soon. So I hope I reach 1k soon and I will definitely do a one big giveaway. So yeah, I am doing this giveaway for my followers and to gain more followers too. Next assumption that we have is you can give second chance to your loved ones. It is maybe because I like those who are my loved one, who are my close to, knows that how I am. So I don't think they will make any mistake like that I should give a second chance to them. But yeah, I will give a second chance to them. Next assumption we have is that you are extrovert. So yeah, I am extrovert, but it depends on the situation sometimes. But I think after 2020 I have become and more to introvert. So it depends mostly right now. Next is you are sweet. Thank you. Next assumption is you can speak in 4 languages. Yes, if Kokni counts, that is English, Hindi, Marathi and Kokni. Also I am learning one new language, but it is taking some more time than usual. So let's see how it goes. Next assumption we have is that you are never sad. It is not true. Of course I am also a human being like you, so it is not like that I have been never sad. Of course I have. So but I don't showcase my feelings like on face. That next assumption that we have is you are loving someone secretly. No. Next assumption is we have is you eat a lot of chocolates. No, I don't like that much of chocolates now, but I like pastry and ice cream more. So yeah. Next assumption is you're shy and soft hearted. I think this is the first impression everyone has when they meet me for the first time, because in first meeting I don't get involved so much in conversation. But yeah, if we could meet in 2 to 3 times, I will get an extrovert too. So yeah, thank you. Okay, so next assumption we have is you are so bubbly and happy all the time. Yeah, I like to be a cheerful, a playful person all the time, because the vibes that I give, or the vibes or the aura which I have around myself is has to be good, so that people get attracted to it, not bad peoples. Next assumption we have is why so flawless skin. So having a very flawless skin or not having a acne or pimple on your skin also needs to get your diet properly, do skincare properly, of course that is the main, and change your lifestyle to get a flawless glowing skin. That will I say. So yeah. So next assumption we have is your height is 5'4". So no, my height is 5'5". Next assumption we have is you're good at cooking. Yes, I am good at cooking, but I don't like to cook regularly, but I have to. So yeah, that's it. Next assumption we have that is you're dating. No, I'm not dating anyone, and right now I'm not in mental state that I would welcome anyone in my life. So yeah. Okay, so next assumption we have is you love to travel more than parties. So yeah, I love, if you could make me choose between these two, like travel and party, of course I will choose travel because I have been missing that for a very long time. Next assumption that we have is you have interest in artwork. So yeah, I have interest in artwork. I really like creative people, creative things. So yeah, also I have my own gift small business, as you guys can see. I will insert the Instagram photo of it. So me and my one of my best friend, I have like, we have been making a handmade gift for your loved ones. So yeah, please do check out that. Okay, so next assumption that we have is, I think, much more big, that if you can't hurt a mosquito but beat the shit out of it if bite anyone you have. So yeah, like it's true. If you could replace a mosquito with a bad people, I will do the same thing because I am little possessive about my loved one, my close one, who are really close to. So yeah, if anybody really could hurt them, I will definitely not going to you know, what should I say, not going to leave them. So yeah, I am very possessive about my things. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Also please subscribe to my channel so that you can keep supporting me. So that's it. Thank you.